to stop this world from spinning. Like Superman, you were the only one to find the strength in all that I was dealing with this life, like kryptonite.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Robertinah. In case you are new here, thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I want to be cleaning this fridge. It's a small LG fridge. All right, that's how it looks like. Yes, and I will be removing these compartments a bit later, because at first I want to go and wash the vegetables that I'm going to be restocking here, and while they dry, that's when I'll be washing, rather cleaning the fridge. So to clean it, I'll be using really simple ingredients. I have this Morning Fresh dishwashing liquid. I'll just put a drop of it in a bowl of water, clean water, then use it to wipe the fridge, remove any stains or anything that is sticking on the fridge, or rather any dirt. In short, I will use it to remove any dirt in the fridge. Then afterwards, I will do 2 rinses or 3, depending on how clean I feel the fridge will be, with a mix of water and vinegar. So this is what I'm going to use. It's almost finished, but it is going to be enough. All right, so that's what I'm going to be using to clean up the fridge, and it really helps in maintaining a fresh scent inside the fridge. Then another thing I want to work on is the top of my fridge. I usually put a lot of things over here. There are so many things that I place here, like the cling film, the foil, the kitchen towels. If I am just from anywhere, I don't have something, I have something on my hand and I don't know where to place it, I always put it here. So this place ends up having a lot of dirt particles and dust as well, but I want to make sure that I keep this place really minimal and tidy at all times. So that means no more placing things on top of the fridge, unless it is something that is not like coming on and off all the time. Like, if you had seen this before, I wish I showed you that. There was so much. There was cooking oil, there was the some fruits, you know, just things that are out of place. They were all here, but I want to really work on that. Yeah, so for now, let's head on over to the sink. This is where we have the real work. We are going to be cleaning up these things, organizing them, packing them. I have some organizers which I will be showing you in the course of the video. Also, I do not have water. Remember, in our previous video I told you guys that we don't have water, so I will be doing my dishes outside. I will wash the dishes outside. I actually just want to wash them from outside, because I just want to remind myself that experience of washing dishes from the outside. All right, so I'll begin with this area so that I can free up the sink, and then I'll start cleaning up the fridge and the rest of the kitchen. So stick around and I will see you as the video goes on. All right, so if you are new here, make sure you subscribe at this point actually, so that you don't forget, and also put the notification bell on, and leave a comment down below on how or anything you find outstanding in the video, and I will really appreciate it.
You used to stop this world from spinning. Like Superman, you were the only one to find the strength in all that I was dealing with this life, like kryptonite. And if you keep me close, every minute in this hourglass you hold, and when I fall to thee, will you be there when I wait to save me, a superhero in me? So when I was falling, you moved the clouds to stop me from hitting the ground. And every goal there was a meaning, for this love ain't kryptonite. And if you keep me close, every minute in this hourglass you hold, to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either.
So I'm not really sure if I should be washing these, but I'm just figuring out, since they are dusty, they also look like they were washed before, so I'm just going to wash them and let them dry up and then store them. They're not that many, so the chances of them spoiling in case I'm not supposed to wash them the chances are very, very slim or low. Yeah, so that's it. Basically I've finished washing everything else. These are the fruits, the carrots. They're all drying up because, as you can see, they're all clean and I'm happy. The okra is over there just drying up. We have the sweet potatoes, also the bananas. I was just dusting them, removing the dust. I don't think like it's all that necessary to wash bananas, because what you eat, you have to peel the banana, but because of touching and also the dust that is around, it's just safer. It is just safer to remove that dust. All right, and then we have here my spinach. It's all clean. I'm just going to let them sit here, drip the water as they dry up, and I will organize them later. Okay, then here I have the coriander. It's looking clean and well sorted. I also wanted to ask you guys about the roots. As you saw, I removed the roots, these ones, these. So I don't know if I am dreaming. Sometimes when you watch a lot of YouTube, sometimes you end up dreaming about things. But I think I saw in a channel here, someone was cooking these dania roots. If you do cook them, please comment down below. Let me know so that I can also be up to speed with such things. All right, and how do you usually cook them? Okay. Yeah, so that's it. I'm going to go right ahead, finish up this part. For the arrowroots, I'm going to just cook these today, so I don't want to wash them now. The last time I washed them, I got really itchy on my arms, like my hands were really itchy. I guess it's because of just the arrowroot thingy, the way it is. So I will cook these later, so I won't wash them. So I will wash them when I'm ready to cook them. For now, because I'm doing the cleaning, I don't want to deal with them right now, so I'm going to leave them there. The maize as well. I had 2 chicken. Unfortunately, someone thought it's best that they take them from me. Someone stole my 2 chicken. I feel so bad. Anyway, that is news that is old, and I forgave them, moved on with my life. Okay, yeah, so it's really weird. Why would someone steal kuku? Seriously, like they're just 2 chicken. What will that do for you? If you're stealing, still big. Stop stealing petty things. All right, yeah. So anyway, these are the arrowroots. That's how they look. The maize, I would have used the maize to give to the chicken, and I have 2 others left over there that I would have cooked some githeri. I will cook some githeri with. Yeah, anyway, so I'm going to leave these ones here, not in the sink. I will remove them because I will need the sink to be cleared. Okay, so I'm rinsing everything in this water. Yeah, as you've seen, I'm managing without water. We don't have water. We still don't have water. Yeah, and we have to fetch water from the outside tap, which is okay because it is better. That is much better than having nothing. Yeah, so that is what is going on. Next, I'm going to be cleaning the fridge, storage containers, and the fridge itself. Okay, stick with me.
The other As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? How the mind doesn't work like it used to. As I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Going altered by the moment, dear. And as the days turn idle, sweet on survival, I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be sane without it. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. It's out of my control. You set the play in motion. Couldn't be a bigger ocean. Tell me, darling, is this what you want? Oh, and all you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. So very clever, leaving me to wonder what you hide. One of us seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper?
So guys, I found this thing. It's supposed to be here. I think it traps uchafu isingiyoko. It's the first time I'm removing it. I hope I'm not messing up. Yeah, but anyway, I'm going to wash it because it looks dirty. All right, and then put it back there. Yeah, so far everything is clean. This is the top of the fridge. It is looking clean, and also inside I've washed this part. Now what I need to go finally do is finish washing the compartments.
pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about 4-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. What is the breeze?
I'm all done cleaning up the fridge compartments. They are here. I'm going to let them dry up or air dry. I don't have a dry towel that I can use at the moment. They're all wet, so I'm going to let it dry. Once it dries, I'll use my serviettes to wipe down any remaining water droplets and then arrange them in the fridge, as I also arrange the vegetables in the fridge. All right, so yeah, that's how far we are doing.
To circle the other, as you go you remain a stranger to me, to you, but our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about 4-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watches the breeze, burns gold and smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? Out of mind doesn't work like it used to, as I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Going altered by the moment, dear, and there's a days shine idle, sweet on survival. I'm on fire, awaiting your arrival. I never expect to be sane without it. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. It's out of my control. You set the play in motion. Couldn't be a bigger ocean. Tell me, darling, is this what you want? Oh, and all you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. So very clever, leaving me to wonder what you hide. You used to stop this world from spinning. Like Superman, you were the only one to find the strength in all that I was dealing with. This life like kryptonite.
And if you keep me close, every minute in this hourglass, you hold. Oh, oh, oh. And when I fall too deep, will you be there? Then I'll wait to save me, a superhero in me. A superhero in me. I saw when I was falling. You moved the clouds to stop me from hitting the ground. And every goal there was a meaning. For this love ain't kryptonite. And